Holy cow!
Hold on. Slow down.
Look, that's the brink we went over.
Oh my goodness.
I wonder if that's one of them helicopters.
Shut up, Charge.
I love you. Look
I don't
at
want to
you.
I thought you wanted to cuddle.
What?
What? What? You want to hear a cool one, Nehemiah?
Sure, I guess. Oh my
We're outside, so
god!
it's probably super loud. This is the coolest thing.
Holy crap, I thought that thing was falling over.
That's funny.
It actually is.
Damn. Hang out the Hoover Dam.
Or do you want to park and walk?
Ernie, what are you doing? Oh, Dad, you have to pay.
I know.
So hopefully it ain't as much as San Francisco.
The bronze statue.
Oh, that is
The
cool.
building, man.
How do they do it?
I remember seeing that.
You know what? I kind of want to post this on YouTube.
See? There you go. Just keep like all your little memories and stuff, dude, and then edit it.
Heck yeah.
And move out the whistle and whatnot.
Time to use Photoshop, even though I do not have any
Yeah,
card
this is
thing,
a
whatever.
test of driving ability.
Oh my god.
Charge and be like,
Chuck is probably gonna take out all of them. Oh my god.
look at him getting riled up. I'm gonna windmill your ass. I'm gonna windmill your
You want to switch them out?
We're too busy, Mitzi.
No, we can get them come back and sit.
Mitzi, just wear the sandals, right?
I am.
Okay. I'm a very convinced.
Okay, now there's gonna be a little bit gap in this part.
$20.
So sorry. Okay, now I'm back.
Fucking Jeep trying to come up here.
Crap! That's so tall.
Oh,
I'm
right.
falling off.
No, you should have seen that.
You know what though? That is a test to see if you can drive stick very well. If you can maintain going up a hill. Like this. Stop and go.
Crap! It feels weird. Just like going up.
What managed to do it going uphill.
But Charles, like this, you gotta be careful like not to roll back and hit somebody. Because people will be like right up on you.
Yesterday on the plane, I actually defeated my fears of heights.
Yeah.
Tonight when we go on the high roller.
Is it a roller coaster?
No, it's a big Ferris wheel.
Look it up, high roller.
I'm cool. I'd rather be surprised.
Isn't it called the London Eye?
No, it's the one in London called that. This one's a high roller.
Oh. I'm scared to go on the
That
bridge. Cause what if somebody pushes
Look,
me
hey,
off?
you see that up there? They have like a little guardrail thing on there because you have to walk up the bridge. You have to walk up there.
More like a ladder.
Dang, too bad we didn't bring him upstairs. Oh, I was like, why not?
Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed your time at Hoover Dam.
My name's Pri. I don't give that cheap.
Isn't that the dude from the hotel? Pre.
I knew that was
That dude held my pillows for months.
Yeah, they told. Wasn't you guys that told Vince that was his name?
Oh, Bill G.
That was a bad thing.
Oh, Haji. No, they told you Haji.
That was embarrassing.
Haji. Is Haji there? My name is Pri. I thought there was Haji.
on the hat.
Okay.
Like far away.
Alright, look. I'm gonna need y'all to do something for me, Chrysler. Hell out of the way. Find a parking spot.
I know. It's like, why you keep, there ain't no open spots. Just keep rolling.
They're probably nervous because of all the people, but the people can move out the way.
Exactly.
Dude, they are not moving. They're not. They just park.
Dad, beep your horn. I don't care if you get mad.
They just park.
Congratulations to this guy, driver of the year.
Yeah.
Dude, you can't hold up traffic. Let's go.
Dad, just beep your horn one time. If he's got a problem, I'll hop out the whip. I'm not
Beep.
tripping. Nothing, Dad. Stupid. Oh my gosh. I'm about to get irritated. And I'll hop out the whip smooth and be like, you need to get out of the way. Because my family's here. I've been driving for 12 hours. I am tired. You're from Nevada itself. You can't be working that hard.
You can't be that stupid.
And coming out the car is going to be Ronda Rousey.
You know what? I'll get my butt whooped on that. I have no problem. They're driving too slow, bro.
No, we have
Yeah, flies
like
behind
3
it.
people
Fly,
behind
they
us. We have like 3.
Come on, patience sucks.
We have like 3 people behind us just waiting too.
There's a hole in the rock.
What do we know? Pretty cool.
It looks like there's
New York's license
cable.
plates are actually pretty cool.
It kind of looks like there's like bungee cords so like somebody could climb up or something.
See, a damn retard. You're waiting for that Mustang to move and there's nobody in there.
I'm down for whatever.
Come on, dude. Let's go.
I missed the plane so much. That was fun.
You really want it, Poindexter. Keep doing what you're doing. We don't catch it back. I swear to God, you want to get him smooth left, kick him in your butt. Tell us, Chach. He does not deserve to catch his hand. That's why. There's no use in me wasting my hand. Oh, Dad, you should have stopped. I was trying to smile in this picture.
That'd be fun. Look down the window, maybe.
Are we going top floor then?
We're going to wherever there's parking available, buddy. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm gonna need you to get out the road. I'm trying to get through. There you go, Chacharoon. Black shirt. That's all you, buddy. Sorry, I'm back in.
Now that Asian decides to move.
Oh, where'd you get the collar up, Chun-Li?
Okay, now it's time to get out of here.
Inconsiderate. I am.
Ernie, hurry the heck up.